Now, this can be a very nice performance gain, but the real power of data binding comes when we bind data. Now let's see how we can bind a view to a data class so that the data is directly available to the view. Again, this will make our code simpler and sets things up to handle more complex cases later in this course. For this example, we are going to create a class for our name and nickname data. Instead of storing them as string resources, we make them proper data. And then we'll bind that data to our views. First, we create a data class for the names. We create a new Kotlin class file and call it myName. We define a data class, like so. Now the name is currently set in a text view in the XML file from a string resource. So we need to replace that with a reference to the data in our class. To let our layout know about the data, we create a data block in the XML file, right here at the top inside the layout. Then we add a variable block for our variable, and then declare the variable inside variable. The variable needs a name, myName, which is typically the same as the name of the data class, and a type, which is the fully qualified name of the data class we just created. Now in our layout file, instead of using the string resource, we can reference this variable. This gives us references to the data, but we need to also create the actual data. To do this, in main activity above onCreate, we create an instance of the data class and set the name. And then in onCreate, we set the value of the myName variable that is declared and used in a layout file. This may show an error because we need to update the binding object, so we build our app and the error goes away. The final step is to also use the binding for the nickname text view. In a layout file, set the text property to the nickname data. And then set the nickname in the addNickname function, like so. Finally, we can run our app, and it looks, again, exactly the same.